In this video, we will discuss the types of object. We have done one type before. Second type is by creating instance of object directly using new keyword. Like here is where I have written a name of object and then given keyword of new and have done object in curly braces. New is showing that object is created. Here I have written employee, then have made it new and have written object. Object will stay as it is. Its built-in type provides functionality common to all JavaScript objects. It creates all JavaScript objects. It is built in. If I hover this, it says that object constructor is made like this. We have value here and then we move on. Like I have taken ID from object, object.name, object.salary, my ID is 101. Employee name is Saba. We did this in previous example. The only difference here is that I have done object name creation separate. We did with another syntax using new keyword. What is coming here? Employee.id, employee.name, and employee.salary. We will give name first. We will run this. It will appear like this. Let's move towards the next example, that is object constructor. We use new keyword in object constructor the way we used in previous one. But whenever we create a function here, we pass an argument. Each argument value can be assigned in the correct object by using this keyword. What we have done here, written the name of function m with the employee name. I am passing three arguments. These are its parameters: ID, name, and salary. I am referring with this keyword, this dot ID equal to ID, this dot name equal to name, this dot salary equal to salary. I have taken a variable of e and equal it to new for creating an object of this function. Here inside function I am creating an object and passing values. 103, Zaba 3000, e.id, e.name, and e.salary is coming. In demo, we will call this. It will be objectConstructor.js. When we will run this on screen, it will appear like this: 103 Saba 3000. Now we have studied three ways. First one, I told you in previous video that in curly braces we write the values of object. Secondly, we studied how we create an object directly using new keyword. Thirdly, we discussed the function in which this keyword is used, which refers to our current object. Current object means where am I standing. In this video, we will do till here. We will discuss another example for more clarification.